How you doing? This is ClickFunnels templates, and what I'm going to do is take you through the ClickFunnels templates dashboard and show you how you can get all these awesome free templates for yourself. My name is Judd Albring. Welcome to Dad's Gone Digital. So first of all, if you're not a ClickFunnels user, you will need a trial to get this, but you can do a free trial. I'll put a link below so you guys can get to that, and I'll give you more information on how that works. Also, guys, stick around. I do have a really killer bonus for you guys, actually a couple bonuses, which you will like. All right, so here we go. I want to first take you in. So this is the dashboard of ClickFunnels. If you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, I would imagine you are because you're looking for it here. But ClickFunnels obviously is the most amazing tool in the world for any business owner, entrepreneur, whether you're selling, creating websites, membership sites, sales pages, funnels, trainings, teaching webinars. It doesn't matter. It's the bomb. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your ClickFunnels tab. So if you're a ClickFunnels user, this is where you're going to find your templates. Or if you're new, you go to Funnel Marketplace. And the best way to do is I just like to go to Shop Templates, and then it gives me all the different templates here. Let me take a look back so you guys can see this here. I skipped too fast. So you look here and you're going to see some paid and some free. I'm going to show you how to just look at the free in a second. But you can see here, if you really want a really insanely graphic out, whatever you want to call it, funnel, you can get those here. Definitely read the reviews. I've never purchased a funnel personally because you really, and it's no offense to the designers and the creators of these, you don't need to. You can build one yourself. That's the whole point of ClickFunnels. Maybe in certain circumstances, you might want to buy one, depending on what you're doing, or maybe if you're doing it for a client. And there's some really great people here doing designers, and these are all people, members of the Funnel Hacker community. So again, it's not dissing them and what they do. I'm sure there's some great stuff out there. For my purposes, I've just never needed to, okay? So here you can see all the different options, right? Squeeze page funnel, product launch funnel, two-step tripwire funnel. If you don't know what those are, you will learn, don't worry. Auto webinar funnel, funnel. Okay. So I'm just going to go into the basic squeeze page. Let's take a look. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to go to top rated, and we're going to go scroll down here. So let me show you that again. Up on the top right, top rated, and just go low to high, and that'll give us all the free ones here. So boom. If you have, your ClickFunnels account, and that's the only way you can get these actually is if you have a ClickFunnels account, and you can do it on the free trial, guys, so you can play around with all these. You have all these guys at your disposal, and with the basic ClickFunnels package, you get up to 20 funnels. So you can build 20 funnels. There's no reason that you would need 20 funnels. Maybe if you're selling them, I don't know. Me personally, I've never gone over the 20, and if I do go over the 20, I just archive the funnel. So I can upload all these. I could upload 100 of these. And then if I want to build one and I go over my 20 mark, what you do is you just archive it, and it puts it in an archive. It's not deleted, it's archived. And then as long as you only have 20 in your account at one time, and if you're not using let's say you're using 10, you're not using the other 10, you can get rid of those 10. Now you made space for 10 new ones. Does that make sense? So let's say you had 20 accounts. You could have a different domain for each of those funnels. And if you add a 21st account, which by that time you're making pretty good freaking money, that you would get the higher end ClickFunnels option, and you have unlimited funnels. Personally, I've never needed it before. I've only got 2 clients right now, and then I do stuff for myself. So, but it's limitless, guys. I mean, all these pre-built websites, templates, you name it, anything you could ever think of that you would ever need, opt-in funnels, sales funnels, membership funnels, webinar funnels, product launch funnels, landing pages, squeeze pages, sales pages. I mean, people pay a lot of money for this, and you're getting it for free. So let's just take a look at one of these funnels. Let's just go into the basic Summit funnel. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know exactly what the Summit funnel is. It's not something I've ever used, but it sure is pretty. But you can look here. I mean, this is a website, guys. Basically, I mean, it's pre-built. Look, it's got everything pre-built for you, and it takes you through the steps, right? This is a 4-step Summit funnel template: pre-sale, click pop, VSL order form, share page. It tells you everything in here, so it's already pre-built. So let's take a look at this one. I think I've already loaded this one, but let's take a look. So I literally clicked that. Now it said your purchase, but it's free. I don't pay for that. And then look, it's popped within a second. Here it is. The funnel is built for me. I have all the steps and the pages, everything. I don't have to link anything. I don't have to do any coding. I don't have to do anything. I literally just uploaded a web page in 2 seconds, but not only just a web page, but a web page that's going to sell for me time and time again. And I can go in here and just edit it, right? Right. Obviously I probably don't, maybe I don't want the turtle back there. Boom. I would click up here, right? And boom, I'd put in my own background. Okay. I don't like this color. I go here. I change it to whatever my, my color is. And I don't like this logo. I go here, I change it to my logo. I don't like this text, obviously. And you get the point, guys. You got to customize everything. And that's it, right? I can just, boom, do all that. I move my way down. I change this out. But the reason these are so great, guys, these are proven, right? These aren't funnels that are just thrown up there. So I suggest sticking with it and changing out your text and everything, but don't mess with the layout and don't mess with the flow, because there's a method to the madness here. So that is ClickFunnels templates, guys. I'm going to go back one more time and show you. Now I'm going to put a link below where you can get access to the templates, all these templates, over 100 some templates for free, and use them. With a 14-day trial. If you're already a ClickFunnels member, go in there, check it out, do it. But if you're not a ClickFunnels member and you want to try out the software, click below, start the 14-day trial, and I will send you guys a bonus, big bonus, 3 big bonuses, a ClickFunnels in-depth training. I'm also going to send you guys an affiliate marketing training so you can learn how to also promote this like I do. And then 3, I'm going to send you my lead generation training. So that's what I do for my business is I generate leads for local businesses using ClickFunnels. And it's amazing. I'm going to send you that for free, guys. Show you how I do what I do and how I make money from home as a stay-at-home dad with ClickFunnels. Okay. So go check that out. And then one more thing I want to point out before I forget is, when you are in here, guys, you can go to simply build a funnel. And let me show you this. I can go to the classic funnel builder. I was just thought of this. And let's just say I just want to collect emails. Okay. Test, because I want to delete this after. So, I maxed out on my, see, showing you guys how to do it. I maxed out on my funnels. But when you go into here, when you go into that funnel step, okay, collect emails, sell product, host webinar, it's going to give you hundreds of pre-built individual templates. So if you want a sales page, it's going to give you hundreds of different options for that sales page. If you need a lead capture, if you need a webinar, so it's giving you pre-built designs for that as well. It's fantastic. The best way to do this, guys, is just to get on the trial, or if you're a ClickFunnels user, get in there and just start looking at it. The possibilities are endless. All right, guys, take advantage of the trial. If you have any questions, comment. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.